game have changed. The model will shift from ownership to digital access, and users' focus has shifted from downloading to streaming, from push to pull, as Uday explained to us with his daughter's example. The traffic in this world is not linear or one way, it will be interactive. We will move from monologues to conversations, from copyrights to usage rights, and more importantly, from paying with cash to paying with attention. Hyper collaboration among all the telemedia players is the requirement of the day. All of us together can thrive in this interdependent world together and not individually. It will be a far more collaborative world, and partnerships will be the order of the day. Interdependence is our future. We need to co-create a new reimagined ecosystem among all players that is win-win for all. Fourth, abundance will be a global trend of choice, of distribution, of content. Millions of songs, millions of videos, anytime, anywhere. And this kind of abundance will make intelligent analytics the need of the hour. To my mind, data is the new oil in this digital world, and intelligent data or intelligence is the new petrol. But this kind of extreme abundance also leads to scarcity of a certain kind. And I call this scarcity on the inside, scarcity of context, scarcity of happiness, and purpose of life. Anything and anyone who can address this scarcity will be a winner. And this media and entertainment industry is well positioned to address the twin issues of both abundance and scarcity that will coexist. Fifth, ultimately, it is not about technology, but about humanity. Technology is just a means to an end. It cannot become the end goal by itself. The true power of technology is its ability to make human life better. The future belongs to creative empathizers, pattern recognizers, and meaning makers. Because technology changes, but humanity evolves. And I believe that any transformation is eventually about humanity. So dear friends, finally, all our efforts in the digital era need to be geared towards making the 21st century the India century. We have the opportunity to realize this in a collaborative framework. Together, we are Team Digital, Team Telemedia for India. It is our responsibility to ensure that digital disruption leads to value for the nation. Our convergence and not competition can reshape and redefine India. The power of our talent, visionary business minds, and transformative policy makers and influencers is palpable in this audience today. When talent meets opportunity in this digital era, we can realize the vision of our nation. Together, we can make India a powerhouse in the world of digital media and entertainment and lead in this new telemedia world. And media and entertainment industry can be really proud to have played a role in taking India on the global stage. Because all change is about humanity, and more than 1/6 of humanity resides in India. I look forward to all of us being partners in co-creating this future of a digital India led by telemedia that provides opportunities and entertainment for all our people. Thank you.